Hello! We're here today to talk about Coco Bolos in Overland Park, Kansas. It was awesome.
It was awesome. You want to talk about the area first?
Oh yeah. So the area is absolutely amazing. It's around 135th and Null, and there is a little hidden gem of almost like a little shopping area.
It is really nice area.
It is, and there are several restaurants. There's a bar. There's a toy store.
A movie theater.
A bowling alley, and there's a museum.
There's a really neat museum I'd like to take the kids to right near there.
That right now has like dinosaur skeleton, and it looks amazing from the outside. It's really neat. We were really impressed.
I was really impressed with the area.
It's only been there about 4 years, and Coco Bolos is right kind of at the beginning of this really neat street. And like both sides of the street are buildings, and there's art center. There was a place that was all made in Kansas City things.
Yes,
it's like blown glass.
And there's and I don't remember the name of it, but the Rock Restaurant, which is near there, Coco Bolos, that's owned by the Kiss Band, which is almost like a Hard Rock Cafe, I think.
Yeah.
It's right near there.
We haven't been there yet,
No.
but we passed it, and you'll see a picture.
That whole area, though, and this Coco Bolos would be a great place to go on a date. You could
As soon as we walked up, we were like, oh, this is a perfect date night. It's a really neat little area.
Oh, I like that. Yeah, let's go there.
Got the fire. There was music playing. Of course, it's around Christmas right now. And so we got out of the car and there was music playing. Across from Coco Bolos, there was a fire.
Yes, outside.
Outside, you could set up against the fire. It was it was in front of another restaurant across the street. There was an area where they have bands come during the summer, and Coco Bolos has their windows. What looks like windows now is actually like two big garage doors that open up,
for the summer
and there's a
and spring.
bar. And so you can sit outside and like belly up to the bar on the outside and listen to the music, and the acoustics is just perfect.
We bought a bunch of toys at the toy store and they wrapped them for free.
They did.
Yeah.
The toy place, we walked in and that was awesome.
That
it was all
awesome.
Really neat things.
Okay,
neat toys.
Yeah, so let's talk about Coco Bolos.
Yeah, we got to get there.
We loved it.
We absolutely loved it. You walk in and you're taken by just the environment is amazing. And there's a Kansas City artist, a well-known graffiti artist, and he did several murals.
Mostly airbrushed, I think, on the walls.
It was cans. It was can
Aerosol.
spray It was amazing.
It was
really
neat.
Bright and just a really neat environment.
Yeah,
I love that kind of
I love
decor.
all of the decor.
Little fireplace, and they had a couple little Christmassy things. It was neat.
It was really neat.
It was neat. We were impressed when we walked in.
Yes, and the staff was very nice.
They were
really
very friendly.
nice and very friendly.
Yeah, like you're their neighbor. You know, just really sweet people. So we started out with chips and salsa, of course, and the salsa came out and it was brown. And so I was a little like
dark
I wonder what
red,
this.
really dark red.
And it's called salsa del fuego, and they use wood-fired tomatoes in the salsa.
Roasted tomatoes, in the salsa.
And you can taste like the fresh.
It was really, really
It was really good.
And they also brought out habanero
They did.
sauce, which had some heat to it.
It was hot.
Yeah.
But what was great about it is the salsa del fuego was not spicy. It was great.
Right.
It had great flavor, and so if you dip into the habanero, dip into the del fuego.
It took some of that heat off, and it's pretty hot, but it had a great flavor.
It was awesome.
And and I had to dip it into that.
And their salsa verde was
I told them
really
I loved salsa
amazing.
verde, so they brought us out some of that to try, and I loved it.
Yeah.
Big thumbs up on the verde.
The verde was awesome.
Yeah.
I would have bought a container.
All
of
the
that.
salsa was really good.
And then there was a bean and corn salsa that was also really good. Then we ordered our appetizer.
we got the trio appetizer so we can, sample more things.
Yes. When we ordered it, they were like, now is that for your meal or is that the appetizer? Because it was just two of us.
Yeah.
It was a lot of food.
It was a lot of food, and it was beautiful on the plate.
It was.
Very nice, and it looked good. It was really pretty dish, and it was amazingly good. So, one out of the 3 appetizers, one of them was the shrimp. You want to talk about that?
So the shrimp was barbecued and bacon wrapped shrimp, and they were gigantic.
Grilled on the firewood grill.
Grilled on the fire, and they were on top of jalapeno slaw.
Oh, the shrimp it was awesome.
And it wasn't like slaw like you think.
No,
You'll see, but
the slaw was great. I love that jalapeno slaw.
It was really
good. And the shrimp,
good.
super flavorful. On the bacon, it was good.
It was really good.
Yeah.
And so then we worked our way to the middle, and there was, the bread was awesome. Yeah. And I couldn't resist it.
With mushrooms.
Alfredo, the creamy Alfredo sauce in there so you could dip.
Which was excellent.
And then these big mushrooms with crab, stuffed crab, and the mushrooms were...
Setting on top of the Alfredo sauce.
Yes.
That was excellent. I couldn't quit eating that.
They were fantastic.
Yeah, that whole thing was fantastic. That Alfredo sauce was great.
It was. It was. And then the chicken quesadillas, which were... Yeah,
all of it
really
was great.
Good. Really
I was
good.
dipping the quesadilla in the Alfredo sauce, and it came. We can't forget it came with jalapeno ranch sauce.
Jalapeno ranch,
which was really good, and then it also came with like a chipotle.
A chipotle sauce, or a chipotle aioli.
Aioli, yes.
And it was really good, and the sauces were all really great.
All of it was really good and really impressive. I mean, it was high quality good food. It was really, really good.
It was, but. So the next thing we had was the Tijuana train wreck.
That's what I got.
And we wanted something different. Of course, we wanted to do something different. Everybody gets, fajitas. So you've seen fajitas and tacos. Now, their street tacos, I will say, their street tacos are fantastic. I've had their street tacos. They participate in the Taste of Kansas City every year and also Zootopia. So I have seen them at the Taste of Kansas City and gotten street tacos, and they are awesome. And they have many different meats for the tacos. So the tacos, they have like a taco night, all you can eat tacos for $10, and you can get all different kinds of mahi-mahi, shrimp tacos, chicken, steak, all kinds of different meats. So the Tijuana train wreck was like kind of like a Mexican lasagna.
Yeah.
It was in the bowl, and it had tortillas, it had machaca chicken, which is like shredded chicken, which was really great. Kind of a smoky flavor. So it had the chicken, it had cheese.
A ton of cheese on it.
Jack cheese.
Yeah,
it had the bolo beans, jack cheese, sour cream.
Sour cream, and then that corn salsa. Corn bean salsa on it.
The corn and bean salsa.
It was fantastic.
It was fantastic.
We both really enjoyed that.
Yeah. So it comes with a salad, but you can substitute things very easy there. So we substituted, I believe it was called the Tater Las Cruces, but it was like an au gratin potato, nice and crunchy on the bottom, and it had all kinds of goodness on the top.
Cheese and beans, I think were.
It was fantastic.
It was great.
I don't know exactly what he told us, but I was too busy eating it. It was
it was really good.
So we had that, and then we had the pizza. Now this restaurant has like 5 different kinds of salads. It has soups, they have sandwiches, they have tacos, street tacos, fajitas, burritos, all kinds of stuff.
It's mostly a Tex Mex with a bunch of other options thrown in.
The pizza. We asked him what's something that's really good here and he told us about the pizza. He suggested, hey, try this. It's kind of, a lot of people don't order it because they don't really know. Amazing.
It was great.
It was amazing. I want to say it had Alfredo sauce instead of red sauce. It had smoky chicken and shrimp on it.
With definitely some lime.
Pesto.
Yeah, pesto.
Oh, it was fantastic.
It was great. That shrimp and that lime citrus pesto flavor. Oh, it was good.
It was really good. We're definitely going back.
Yeah, I was impressed with everything, honestly.
Yeah.
Everything there was really good.
It was. We had a margarita.
Oh, yeah.
And we generally don't, especially at lunchtime, have a margarita. But
well, I generally don't.
But they were telling us that their margaritas are all of their lime juice is fresh squeezed. They don't use any kind of concentrate like that. So I'm like, oh, I gotta try that. It was the most refreshing margarita.
I'm not really a big fan of margaritas. I'm not a fan of them, but I took a little taste, and my goodness.
Yeah.
I would have. It was really good.
Really
I mean,
good.
It was a great citrus.
It was really
fresh,
good. Yeah. If you like margaritas,
you'll love it.
You need to go to Coco Bolos and order the margarita. He spends about 4 hours in the morning
just squeezing
fresh limes for the rest of the day. And
it is fantastic.
It really is.
Yeah.
We highly recommend this restaurant. They do all kinds of stuff to cater to families. Mondays they have kids eat free. Monday nights they have trivia. So they have like groups of 6 can join in and do all kinds of crazy questions.
Wasn't there like Wednesdays was half off on the train wreck, the Tijuana train wreck or something
Maybe.
like that?
I just remember all you can eat taco night. And it was all you can eat street tacos for $10.
It would definitely be a great date night.
Yes.
It really would. The whole area, you could eat there, but you could walk around and go into other places.
Yeah.
It'd be a great place to take it.
There is I think it's a Hampton Inn, about a mile from this from this area. And I'm like, we could go up, stay at a hotel, jot around town. It's a nice little area. And that one street was just so pleasant. It was just really
Yeah, and I would like to see the museum.
Yes, and the museum we would like to go back.
Highly recommend it. We really do.
Yeah. And they also have TVs, so if you like watching the Chiefs game, they broadcast the games for everyone, and devil's in the details. And they have some really neat details in that restaurant. So thumbs up for Coco Bolos.
Yes, big thumbs up.
Yeah,
we definitely want to go back.
Yeah, high. So have a great day, guys. Be kind to each other.
Thank you.